Tired of oily shine, large pores, and breakouts? This is your complete step-by-step guide to care for oily skin, with effective tips that work at any age. Step 1. Cleansing. Use a gentle, oil-free cleanser twice daily. Look for ingredients like salicylic acid or zinc to deeply cleanse and reduce excess oil. Step 2. Toner. Toner helps tighten pores and balance oil production. Choose one with niacinamide or green tea extract. Step 3. Moisturizing. Don't skip moisturizer. Even oily skin needs it. Use a lightweight water-based gel to stay balanced. Step 4. Sunscreen. Sunscreen is essential to protect your skin from dark spots and excessive oil. Use a light gel-based SPF of at least 30. Step 5. Weekly exfoliation. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week to remove dead skin cells. Go for gentle exfoliants with AHA or BHA acids. Try this routine for 2 weeks and see the difference. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this video.